Hello, EDLS 708 crew. Uh, it is Tuesday, February 27th, and we are going to be meeting in Goldsboro this coming weekend. So prep for face-to-face weekend 2 is a lot of what this little mini lecture is about. It's going to be a whole lot of you this weekend and not so much me. That is your case studies. You remember that you are researching and presenting at least 2 Supreme Court cases this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I hope you do. I want you to prepare those as PowerPoint presentations to give us something to talk about in class. I'm thinking I'm going to block 20 to 30 minutes per case so that you should probably present for a few minutes, 5 minutes or so, the highlights of the case. I have asked you to please prepare a handout, a max 2-page summary of that case, and we're going to load those for others to look at later, but if you can bring a paper copy for us to have, that would be a wonderful thing. That is, be prepared to present your 2 cases this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, depending how and when you signed up. We'll go straight down the list from top to bottom. And we're going to be touching on some of these seminal cases and not others, but I hope that this will prompt a discussion that will help us go back to the text, cite the other cases that we want to, and discuss the policy and legal implications for you in schools. I hope that your presentations are going to be a springboard for some real good conversations about these various legal topics. You were to read Chapter 7 in Essex on liability and student records this week. I keep coming back to the news that I'm reading and seeing on TV. Lots of information in the news about Mr. Cruz, this Florida shooter in Parkland. And apparently a lot of the school and social groups, social workers had lots of information about this fellow. I'm sure it was all confidential. And if you know liability and student records, quite likely none of that was available to be shared with law enforcement prior to a crime being committed. So are records confidential? How does this change after a crime is committed? What is your legal liability to protect student confidentiality with records? Interesting stuff. So bring your textbooks, bring your supplies, bring your calendars, because we can start to make some plans for your summer session, I think. If it has snuck up on you, the policy origination assignment is due this week. I see a couple of those in my in basket, but a 3 to 5 page paper outlining how policy gets originated and updated in your district, please. And make sure you're prepped with these legal case reports, please. I'll bring some stuff about policy this weekend. Bring your textbooks, bring your brains, bring your electronic devices and extension cords and lots of caffeine. See you this weekend in Goldsboro. Now, that said, if you have questions about anything, write to me, pick up the cell phone and call my cell number. If you would like some help with any of these assignments, Zoom me. We can email me and we can set up a Zoom consultation session as well. So look forward to seeing you in person in Goldsboro. In the meantime, work hard and contact me if there's something that you need. Thank you.